Today is one of the worst days of my life. Well, I have decided to record a video in English, and maybe sometime later I will record some more, because as I was English teacher, like how many years ago? The last year I taught English was in the 27, I think. And well, I have decided this to record some videos in English, and to try to recover my profession, that was English teacher in that time. And well, this video, it was longer because I was going to develop a class of makeup, but a makeup of model, but at last it has to be shorter and maybe without not much sense. But anyway, I'm going to read what I have written. So I was going to say the most beautiful things that people here in Barcelona and of other parts of Spain have said to me, in relation to that of being a model, no? So phrases that very kind people has said to me. Every day you are prettier. If you had been taller, you would have been top model. You seem a goddess. Miss Universe, Miss Spain, actress of Hollywood. 2 months ago, a woman, a director, I think she was, offered me the main paper in a co-production, Spanish and French, in a Spanish and French film. In a cruise, a group of girls said about me, "What does she think, that she's a Hollywood star?" In the beach of Barcelona, the MTV of Germany chose me as the most beautiful girl of the beach. What a strange color of eyes you have. They are very beautiful. How green are your eyes? The best bag of Barcelona during 3 decades. Some people think I'm a model, that I always look very pretty, that my kisses are still live, that I might make up myself very well. So pretty you are, and so alone, without flat, and your life is a disaster. I have my detractors. More beautiful, impossible. We don't understand why you are alone. That I seem the sister of Judith Mascot, that I look like Heidi Klum, if I'm from Mexico or from Russia, if I can see you every day I cry, I can live without you. Well, these things. So thank you to these people that has always encouraged me that have always encouraged me with these phrases so beautiful. And well, all that was in relation a makeup I was going to do, as if I was if I like if I was a model. Okay, well, I'm going to present this association that I have found here in the coffee shop. I'm going to read what it says about this association, and if people want to help them. The association is called Dona Esperanza. Ayúdanos en la investigación de la ataxia telangiectasia. La afasia telangiectasia AT es una enfermedad rara, genética y neurodegenerativa. Provoca una grave discapacidad física progresiva. No tiene cura ni tratamiento. 1 de cada 3 niños con AT desarrolla cáncer. Necesita silla de ruedas hacia los 10 años. Tiene dificultades para hablar, comer o leer. Sufren graves problemas respiratorios. ¿Cómo puedes donar? A través de las redes sociales de AEFAT, Facebook o Instagram, web www.aefat.es/dona, Bizum 01274, desde tu móvil con la app de tu banco, marcar 01274 o entrar en donaciones. Contigo llegaremos más lejos. AEFAT, www.aefat.es. Se puede contactar con ellos también a través de Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. Okay, this was my video of today. Today that it's Wednesday, 14 of September of the year 2022. Well, I hope to see you in the next video. Lots of kisses. Bye bye.